Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Monroe here with the second part of my experiment. I do hope you got to watch the slideshow where we had a chemical reaction between pennies, vinegar, and the oxygen. Pennies that started out looking clean ended up looking like this, dirty and kind of green. I decided to extend my experiment and add some more ingredients, salt and some clean water. The two glasses you see, one has vinegar, one has water. I put some salt into the glass with vinegar. Not too much, just a couple of teaspoons. And then I had to stir it. You can see them sitting there, not too much there. And then you have to stir it and help the salt dissolve in the vinegar. You'll end up with like a murky kind of look. So there's still a little salt on the bottom, but that's okay. I decided to test it out. I took a penny and I just dipped it in a little bit. And I was curious to see if this was going to be successful, and I was very happy to know half the penny that was in the vinegar was clean. So those of you that watched my experiment from the first part on the slideshow knows I had a few fails, so I had to redo a lot of things. So this time I know that I'm off to a good start. So I took all the pennies, except for one, and put them in the vinegar. You can see the one that I started with is dirty, because I wanted to see comparison. So I took all the other pennies, I put them in the vinegar and salt solution. And after like maybe 5 minutes, I switched them over to the water glass. And after a couple minutes, I took them out of the water glass and I ran them under my faucet to really clean them. And as you can see, it worked. I have a lot of shiny pennies. You can see the dirty ones still sitting on the paper towel, which I did not do in this experiment. That was left from the last experiment. So compare the shiny to the older looking one. We know that salt and vinegar will clean dirty pennies. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying science. I just hope you enjoy every day. I miss you, and we'll see you the next time. Happy science!